Hey guys, how you going? Yeah, I'm just on a coconut grind with. Oh, Raf's on the server. Great. Hi, Raf.
What's up?
Just, ow, 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 ow. Okay, that's dangy. Jeez, I take so long on coconut crab. Probably because I don't have my battle hive. That's one. Oh, hello. Raf, get out. I'm gonna get confused. Get out. Quick.
I am out.
Oh, thank goodness. I'm gonna turn my volume down actually. This is too loud. There we go. Now I can hear what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm gonna be sacrificing today in Miners Haven, guys, so stay tuned for that. I might not upload it today though, so yeah, it's currently the 14th. The 14th of January. I did a New Year's video, didn't I, Raf?
Did you?
Did I?
I hope so.
I think so, I did, right?
I wasn't about to watch it.
If not, it's not uploaded, so I definitely made one, I remember. Don't worry, that will be out soon if it isn't already. Ooh, honey token, quick. Oh, that was about risky.
Which one is the one that you made on New Year's?
I don't know. I think it was gifted spicy.
Oh, that one, yeah.
No, that was on a New Year. That was like before New Year, but like after Christmas.
Hopefully.
So not too long ago. At least I don't think. Anyways, this is my first voice recording video, so if you want more, leave a comment down below. That will help. Oh, like and subscribe as well. I forget to say everything. It's because I'm doing coconut crab, eh? He's down to 107. Let's party! Not yet. Ooh, inferno. I haven't got my battle hive. That's perfect. I said that so many times. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get 1 billion, which is not too hard. I'm gonna do a full-on cocoa grind boost. Oh, an epic sprout. This happened while I was doing the coconut crab last time. Do you remember, Raf?
Oh, yeah.
Like the last time I tried, but I died.
Oh, no, it's in Stumpfield.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming. Don't worry. It's only at 91. I'm doing it. Wait, just touch it off every now and then so it doesn't despawn. Because I'm going to go do it. How much health does it have? I'm guessing 500.
7.5.
7.5. Okay, that's not bad. Ooh, Inferno. I want to get that.
How did I... Oh, what?
85 to go. This is taking a long time. Oh, run.
Had to spawn there.
Someone get that Vish. Oh, there is no Vish. Oh, no. Yeah, good timing. Sorry about the lag, guys. Oh yeah, I haven't uploaded the bubble mask video yet, so that will be out very soon. Yeah, if you believe, Raf, I actually made a video for the bubble mask.
You did?
You know how I doubted the bubble mask this whole time? It's actually decent.
Yeah,
It's actually not as bad as you think. No, the bubbles instantly regrow the pollen, so.
I know. Is it because of the bubbles?
No, the passive activates really easily.
Yeah.
So that's a plus as well.
Cool.
I don't know why on it made the fire mask passive really hard, because it's made for attack, but like
Not that hard, is it?
no, it takes a while because you don't have many red tokens on the field
I do.
while you're attacking.
Oh, true.
if you're even on the field.
No. Oh gosh. I'm just doing some cocoa grinding.
Cocoa, you're not even on coke.
Cocoa nuts.
I will do cocoa grinding with honey mask, not bubble. I'm never doing grinding with bubble unless it's on
When
pine
you
tree.
finish, can I do the coconut crab?
Sure. Can I grind though? Can I
Yeah.
just like
Yeah, you
be
can
on the
grind.
field?
Just confusing with two cocos.
Because you might get a bit distracted when mine's here. I'll get distracted, you get distracted, we both fail.
Then, yay! That's delicious.
Quick. Ooh, nice job, buddy. Oh, I'm one away from my, what is it called again? It's not Inferno, what is it? I keep forgetting. Ignite. Ignity.
Should I save up for the bubble mask?
No, the bubble mask is not good to save up for. I just had it because I was saving up for gummy.
Oh.
And it was just spare.
Wait, I'm checking what you need for it.
What?
The bubble mask.
You need glitters.
Glitters?
I just had like 30 glitters or 40 glitters or something, so I just got it.
Let's see.
Ooh, microconverter.
Oh.
From Cub Buddy.
Right.
Someone get the microconverter! Oh gosh, the microconverter is going to despawn. Ha! Got it. Oh, is that 9k? 8k? Oh, this one took 11 minutes so far.
Yes.
That's bad.
My ingredients are ready.
For what?
Blender.
What are you making? Like just.
Gumdrops.
Oh.
For the
Oh
quest.
yeah. Yeah, Raph is really low on gumdrops right now. I was about to run off the field. Imagine.
I have 100 gumdrops.
And he's dead.
Oh, you did it.
It's like the 100th time, so I've done it quite a few times.
What?
What?
Still got 8 minutes remaining.
Oh, that's my best cocoa score. 8.
Okay, I'm doing coconut crab now.
8 minute 20. Okay, I'm gonna go in.
Okay, I got my.
Still 8 minute 20. I don't want to use a dispenser yet. I had enough blue and oil. Now I just don't have anything. Yeah, same
What's
there.
good for using attack? There's stingers, tropical drinks.
I don't use stingers because I
do
don't want to because I'm saving up. Yeah, if you don't use stingers like crazy. On the first run, I used I think like 37 stingers or something.
Well, I've got 38.
Oh, skill. Well, I've got 9 oil already, so that's not too bad. I'm not using marshmallow bees. Alert. Should I just go do my other bosses as I have the fire mask already? Might as well, right?
There's a time limit to them now?
There always was.
There always was?
There always was a 2-hour time limit. Hold on, I better reset my character for because I've defeated Coconut Crab. Yeah, I have 2 costumes set out, and one's for Coconut Crab, this one, and the other one's just for grinding.
Hey, I changed my character too. Oh,
no,
crab.
don't leave.
Oh crab. No, I changed it already.
Right. What did you do to it?
I changed most of it. I'll show you when I.
No, I'll just view you. Don't worry. All good.
No, yeah, that section. Thing is.
You know you can disable your Cub Buddy.
Westlock joined.
What?
Rosie. Is that his name?
What?
Westlock.
Wait, he joined?
Yes.
Hey, this is Rosario, guys.
Tell him that rap.
I'm gonna tell him I'm recording. I'm recording with speech.
No. Tell him no.
Wait, no. Wait till Raph finishes.
KK.
He's got a level 10 vector. Oh, the race begins. I'm gonna have to get mine to level 11 because he's gonna try and beat me. I gotta do my King Beetle.
I'm doing so badly. I'm only get.
Oh, sparkles, sparkles, sparkles. Get this. I'm lagging so bad right now. I don't know why. Okay, 2 King Beetle and beyond.
Really?
Yeah. I haven't watched Toy Story though.
Hey, Westline's watching me drinking. What's his nut?
Oh my goodness! Dude, my cup buddy just gave me 5 bitterberries.
Bitterberries.
Yeah.
Bitmuster berries.
That's cool. Man. Get out of here before I die from the rhino beetle.
I just keep getting misses.
I love doing that.
I'm only getting.
Yeah, he's level 12.
12? What?
Yeah. That's why it takes me so long to defeat him.
I've only got a level 10 vicious.
Wait, Rossi has a level 10
God.
level 10 gifted vicious with an attack mutation. Dude, that's good.
An attack mutation.
Yeah.
Gee.
It's actually good.
Melody.
Okay, I have to turn my voice off for a second, guys. Okay, I'm back.
It says, can you please
Just had to do something.
Sprout?
Sure, Rossi, I'll just play a Sprout in a second. On Coco.
Hey,
Hold on,
but
I'll just change my character.
200,000. It only took me 4 minutes. Wait, what health did he start on?
250k.
Ooh! Then
How
I
do you?
I'm at 200,000.
No.
Yikes.
Raph, is it okay if I do like 2 sprouts at Pepper?
Yeah, that's fine. I don't really care.
Wait, this looks so weird! Dude, I must take a screenshot of this.
What is it?
Ah! Wait, look at me, quick.
I can't. Oh my god.
What is this? It's Panda Bear.
My BB is so close to level 11. There. Level 11. What does row 11 inch mean? Oh.
Oh, the head glitch happened. Raph, the head glitch happened. Like my head fell off.
Oh my gosh.
I have to reset now. Wait, look at me. This is so funny. It's going quick.
Dude, I'm doing coconut crabber. Oh gosh. No.
Why am I lagging so bad? Oh no, I need to get my
Stingers, that's
sprinkies
right.
down.
I keep forgetting about my stingers.
Oh, don't forget about a tropical drink as well.
Oh.
Because that helps with damage. Rare's first off. Should I go get my bubble mask? For pollen regrowth?
Okay. Use the tropical drink.
Getting my bubble mask. Wait, you're already at 102? Dude, you are doing amazing. I think you can do it.
I'm at 190, 86.
Still, that's something.
True.
Don't worry. No, Rossi's like, if I kill it, and I said it's fine, and it's like, okay, thanks. But I'm gonna be there before he kills it, okay? No worries, Rosario. I'm always there for ya.
Who's just, oh, that dude. Yeah, right. Oh, coconut again.
Rossi's his nickname, so.
Nickname?
Yeah.
Real name?
Rosario.
Oh.
I'm lagging so bad. What is with this internet?
I'm at 177.
Probably my laptop. I blame my laptop.
You always blame your laptop.
Dude, I am lagging. I think I might reconnect. I should reconnect. Wait. I Okay guys, I'll be back in shortly. I have to upload 2 videos because otherwise it won't work. Okay, see ya.